Hello everyone, we're back on another episode of the Corsa today. We're going to be doing some prep work, possibly get it primed at some point in the end of this video. I'd also like to say a big thanks to Craig for shouting us out in one of his videos last week. We'll put a link in the description and possibly link one of his videos in the top corner. Go follow Yoda Racing. It's always nice to support smaller channels and try and help one another out to grow on YouTube. So back to our little episode. Today we are prepping the Corsa. So we're going to be using some 320 discs on a soft pad on the BA, which I'll show you once it's all over here. And then we're going to go over the repairs with a 500 just to smooth them out slightly for the primer. So I'm going to get set up and then we'll be right back and we'll get on with it. So what we're doing is just using a soft pad here, putting a 320 on it and smoothing off around the repair, taking out the deep scratches and stuff, and then going over the panel with a 500. So probably just going to time lapse me prepping this, masking it up, degreasing it and getting it ready for primer. Hope you enjoy. So I've blew it off, degreased it, dried it off, masked it all up. I've done the whole car off camera just to make life easy, otherwise this video will be about 90 hours long. So I've already gone around all the rest of the car with it, but I'm going to show you what I've done. So we've put wash prime on it, which protects the metal and allows better adhesion of the paint to your panel. So we've just got this one panel to do, then I'm going to go mix some primer up. So while that's drying, I'm just going to go mix the primer up, ready to primer this boot and then the rest of the car. So I'll see you once I've mixed the primer up and got it in the gun.